Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
actually, I got disconnected. Some network issue. I am again back. So similarly, what I did is all the parts like legs and if I see, let's see, and gloves I remeshed. So you can see it remeshed pretty nicely. Only the finger part I have to redo it. So similarly, so what I did for most of the part, this I exported directly. This I exported, I remeshed it, then exported. It's really high poly. This I can export directly. It's pretty low poly. Shoes, I remeshed. I just combined the sole and shoe both together, and then I exported it. So you can see here. Let's see. I just combined them and then remeshed the model. So all this. So now what I can do is select the body. Little inside, delete. Similarly for hands, you can see I have exported only one gloves. Delete, delete. Symmetry, I'll symmetry this. This I'll optimize. So similarly, please extend this neck. I can like this. The few things I have to fix in the body, like this is my elbow, right? Retain the elbow shape, that point. Okay, symmetry is on. Yes, symmetry is on. No, wrong placement. Select all these boxes, polygons, extrude, and scale it down slightly, and then push it slightly out. Very, make it like really subtle. So what will happen now, whenever this character bends hand, this elbow will always pop out. And because when you bend your hand, you can see elbow becomes really pointy and sharp. So if you create this, it will hold the shape and create a pointy part very easily. But if you have very low tight budget, like suppose you have only 10K or 12K, in that case, we don't create it. We keep it just simple like this. And if possible, we'll delete couple of loops from here because those things are not doing anything. If I delete it also, it will make it them slightly flat, but after baking, it will look clean. And this thing you can see, cannot see that gap. Yes, fingers I have to fix. You can see fingers are not very nice. The fingers have to recreate, and especially all those knuckles and all those areas I have to define properly. Like suppose this one. Not this one, this one. These four. And let's see. Nothing happening. What is this? Oh, local. Normal average finally. So it will hold this shape. So no matter where you bend your finger or anything, it is knuckle, all these things, it will hold the shape and maintain all the volume. So this is just one thing we have to do for the finger. And this topology you can see clearly, it's all messed up here. You have to make it clean. Thumb is kind of nice. Only this thing I have to add here. And body, like face, we have to redo. And this cuts, we have to double check. We have like enough. If we have enough polygon, we'll create that. If we don't have enough polygon, we won't create that. And usually, if a character have only one skin, we delete all in between, like a body part that's not visible. We delete that section. So I'll create one and duplicate this side. And this is, I have to retopo. This also have to retopo. You can see it's all messed up. This is not correct and not very nice. So let's do it really quickly. Symmetry off, quad draw. Keep it really low initially. And then if required, in between one or two loops. Make them clean shape. And I need little thickness. And rest is not visible, so no need to create that. And this part, these two lines are not required, so I just simply collapse them. Switch off. I think you see, you snap it like this. It's already there, it's snapping to the surface. Switch off snapping. Make it clean and check it from all the angles. And yes, it looks pretty low poly. So one thing I can do is I can add a couple of loops here. Slightly make it soft. And then to make it even more softer, just use edge flow. Or it's not working nicely, leave it then. So now this one you can see it, otherwise very low poly, but the density of this is pretty high. So I'll just fix it. Inside part, delete. Anything not visible, delete. Not required. Delete. And now alternative. Optimize. So like remesh model also we can use, but we have to like optimize it. Like this, we have to optimize. Similarly, you can see in the hammer, I have optimized this, clean this, and the sides, delete. And in between, you can see I missed couple of loops, delete, all clean. Clean. Similarly, clean. Max to max, I can bevel the corner. Apply soften edge, soften edge. Or something happened here. Hide. Yes, here and all these things also have to fix. You can see head there is a problem. This thing is not correct, and it's that thing. Merge. Clean. And this is something we can optimize. Symmetry. or I can remesh this in ZBrush also and reduce it. That will be like way easy and fast. Not transparent. So same exact same thing. Control Shift, click on this surface, hide it, go to modify topology, delete hidden, and it's like 5,000 something points. That means pretty high. So I'll go to Z remesher, 1.5. Keep group, remove it, poly, and to make it like 0.7 or something. Yeah. Quite low poly, nice low poly. I can optimize it. Shots, delete. So this is this like you can use a remesher to create the base, and then you can modify the model and use it. Clean, quite low poly, and now if I want, I can even reduce it further. And this part is not visible though. Poly distribution. Not oh, not required. This one with edge flow, balance it. And to match the volume slightly. Collapse, cap it. This slightly. So now for the thickness also. This so we can use directly. It's like pretty low poly, clean. tools, delete one, symmetry off, delete one. This base I need to fix. This loop is wrong. These spirals are not good. I could delete this base. Not nice. Delete. Okay, either I can do it or I can do it like recreate the thing. It will be like super easy, way faster. Undo it. Okay. Bridge. Oh, this bridge and bridge. 4 segments, 5, 6 segments are selected. Okay. I'll decompose that will be like a way easier. Create the soul separately. Oh, I didn't. Okay, I kept it here. My bad. Delete. My bad. Delete it. I'll export this one. Export belt. All these I need. Rest of the things if I want, remove it. Oh, I can remove this. This one I can remove. Symmetry. It optimize it wherever it's possible. This I can just create a triangle here and continue and create one loop. Just have to create topo. Let's see if I can modify this. No, it will take way too much time if I do it like this. So let's see. What can be done? One poly group. And then is it possible to reduce this? Let's see. It's around 15,000 polygon. That's way too much. No groups. Maybe one. Zero measure. Yeah. One works beautifully. 0.7. Yeah, this also works. Release we can update. Yes, I don't know what is. Save it. Why the volume loss? No, there is no volume loss. That means something wrong. Really messed up. Eyebrows, eyes, height, and everything. Oh, now it's fine. Save it, and now you can see like all these things like generated. So clean this, optimize the model, and make sure switch on everything. So no camera. G, root history. What is generating? Clean. Lambert one. Everything, only one material. Everything smooth, clean. This I have to make it double-sided and plus I have to optimize it also. It's pretty dense as compared to this. You can see clearly. I have to reduce it and plus I have to redo this thing. I have to recreate. You can keep all this thing. Just have to create this trap. Eyes I have to recreate. You can see they're like really dense and snap it nicely. Eyebrows I have. This is also have to optimize. And here also I remeshed and imported here. And then manually fix all this thing. Angles. That's pretty dense. Make it, keep it clean. Not very nice. Have to fix this. So this thing is not required. To continue this and clean this shape. You can see all the edges are little distorted. You have to fix it. Eyes also have to fix. It's basically a sphere. So place it and place a sphere here, and then I'll create those eyeball section and lens separately. And I can import a denture. This fingers will fix and duplicate. Shoe will fix and duplicate. update. And yes, in this like in high poly there is no eyelash, but in low poly we'll create eyelashes. It's just alpha plane, so we'll create that. I'll fix this here, reduce, optimize it. Let's fix this shoe and this. Oh, hand, I have to delete those sections. And I need to make it double-sided. This also double-sided. This one can be single-sided, but this one I need to make double-sided because there is a pouch, there's a pocket kind of thing is there, some patch is there. So I have to make it double-sided. And few like uneven fold I can see here. So I'll fix it in Maya itself. We'll fix that and then we'll start unwrapping the model. Unwrapping the model, then we'll start texture. After that, we'll start texturing. Just give me a second, I'll take. Yeah, I took the screenshot and I update it. And evening I'll upload all the videos, all the recordings. So you can see like if we created a decent quality high poly, creating low poly becomes super easy, and plus your texturing and everything becomes super easy. So once we finish the high poly, we'll unwrap it and we'll bake everything. And for this particular character, will be like maybe we'll use one or two. I guess for hair I'll use separate texture. Body I can use one texture, and all cloth and everything I can use one texture. So we can use multiple textures also, and then we can render it out nicely. Great. Oh, grid is visible. Yeah. Okay, I took the screenshot. Everything's fine. Close it. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like tomorrow, I guess we don't have a class, but we'll have another class tomorrow, so that we can like finish it quickly. Let's see it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tata. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.